Yeah, so it's like 3 in the morning right now. I'm still up because I'm working on a speech for tomorrow, which I'm totally really nervous about. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it well now that I'm up so late, and my professor's really psycho about MLA documentation, and I'm not very good at that, so I just this is the second night that I've stayed up till 3, and I've been staying up till like 1 or 2 the nights before this for like a week or so. I just had so much to do. It's really ridiculous. Kind of getting sick of it. I don't know if next week will be better or not. Hopefully it will be. It's been such nice weather. It's just stupid because I want to go outside, but I can't because I just have to sit inside and do homework all the time. It's basically all I've been doing. I just want to go to bed. Hopefully I'll finish soon. Good night.